Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset or change local administrator user accounts passwords on Windows 11 or 10. For this, first press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. This will open Run dialog box. Here you need to enter the command Control space user passwords 2. I will also provide these commands in this video description. After this one command, click on this one OK button. This will open user accounts window on your PC. Select a username that group is administrators. Then click on this one reset passwords button. Here you can enter a new password according to your choice and then click on this one OK button to reset the password. Then click on this one OK to exit.